In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create water reflection effect in Canva. We'll build a clean, believable reflection using only Canva's built-in tools and a couple of handy apps, and I'll explain what each choice does so you can adapt it to any design. Start by opening a new design or any template that matches your project. Before placing your image, set the mood with the background. Click the background and change its color. Then switch it to a gradient. Gradients add depth, which makes reflections feel more natural. In the Document Colors panel, choose a gradient style and tweak the two color stops so the top is a bit brighter and the bottom slightly darker. This subtle shift mimics sky above and darker water below. Head to Uploads and insert the image you want to reflect. Resize it to your layout, keeping enough space below for the reflection. Now duplicate that image so you have a second copy. With the duplicate selected, use Flip and choose Flip Vertical. Drag this flipped version directly below the original so their edges meet, like a mirror on the horizon line. Use Canva's snap guides to keep them perfectly aligned. To soften the reflection, open Edit and select Blur. Apply blur to the entire flipped image, then increase the intensity until it looks like a slightly hazy mirror. A little extra blur makes the effect more realistic, especially for water. Next, open Apps and choose See All. Search for the Slice tool and pick it. Select the Minced option to create horizontal slices that simulate gentle ripples. Adjust the offset or count to control how many slices appear and how tight they are. Subtlety is key here. You want texture, not a harsh distortion. When the ripples look right, click Save to apply. Return to Apps, search for Image Blender, and open it. Choose the Linear tool. You'll see two dots that define the blend. Position them so the blend fades from the top of the reflection into the bottom. Drag the dots closer together for a sharper fade or farther apart for a smoother transition. This makes the reflection gradually disappear, just like real water. Adjust the strength level of the blend to fine-tune transparency. A moderate setting usually works best. When you're happy, click Save. That's it. You've set a depth-friendly background, mirrored your image, softened it, added convincing ripples, and blended the fade so it melts into the background. Tweak blur, slice amount, and blend strength to match different photos and scenes. You'll get a polished water reflection every time.